Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click Home button. Now tap on this button with 3 lines and tap on these 2 dots at the top right corner of your app. From here you need to select floating window, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. I can move it by holding this line over here and make it smaller by clicking Home button 2 times. You can even use it to overlay other apps. If you wish to go back, hold this line over here and drag it to the X sign. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!